Read my lips. When you register a trademark, you do not own the word, the phrase, or the image that you are trademarking. How many times do I have to say that? My name is Andrei. I'm the founder of Trademark Factory, and in this video I'm going to share my thoughts about yet another trademarking screw-up. This time around, it's Football Club Liverpool not being able to trademark their name. Alright, let me read it from the article, and you can always find the link in the description below. Liverpool FC trademark application shown red card. The Intellectual Property Office has rejected Liverpool Football Club's controversial application to trademark the word Liverpool for the purposes of football products and services. Liverpool FC had insisted that it needed the trademark in order to prevent the sale of inauthentic products, such as unauthorized clothing, to its fans. In the event, it was Liverpool fans who were among the most outspoken in their opposition to Liverpool FC's attempt to register the name of their city. In its judgment, the IPO rejected the application on the basis of the particular geographical significance of the city of Liverpool as compared to other places. Other Premier League clubs such as Southampton and Chelsea have previously been successful in registering commercial trademarks in respect of their respective names. The IPO's decision was described as a victory for common sense by the club's supporters, Union Spirit of Shankly, which said in a statement that the word Liverpool belongs to the city of Liverpool and its people. The word may belong to anybody, which actually it doesn't, but the trademark would not have changed that ownership one bit. But let's keep going. We should all be allowed to use it freely, however we see fit, without fear of legal letters dropping through our doors. Liverpool FC CEO Peter Moore said, "It should be stressed that our application was put forward in good faith and with the sole aim of protecting and furthering the best interests of the club and its supporters. Nevertheless, we accept the decision and the spirit in which it has been made." Like, this is such bullshit. Really. Let's go back to the basics. Trademarks don't give you the monopoly over the word, the phrase, or the image that you are trademarking. What trademarks give you is the monopoly over the use of the word, phrase, or image in connection with specific products and services for offering those products and services to the world as if they were yours. That's really it. Trademarks don't limit people's rights to use the word in everyday speech. Trademarks don't limit the right of people to mention those brands when they just talk about those brands. And in case of cities, certainly trademarks for football clubs do not limit the right of the people to live in those cities, call their cities by their name, and do whatever the hell they want with those words, except for that limited area for which the trademark was allowed. And in this case, all the football club wanted was to get a trademark for football products and services, right? And selling t-shirts, selling merchandise, selling all that kind of stuff. That's how the club makes money. Hello, if you're a fan of the club and you don't want to support the club, instead you want to buy, unauthorized t-shirts, what kind of a fan are you? And to say that, I'm so afraid that I will not be able to use the name of my beloved city. This is just nonsense. This is just beyond nonsense. And the fact that we get reports like this is just pathetic. It's just pathetic. Again, look, I don't really know how many football clubs are there in Liverpool. I don't know the entire story, but what I do know is that this article makes 0 sense. Because again, that's not what trademarks are for. That's not what trademarks do. There's absolutely no risk whatsoever for the people who live in Liverpool, for people who live outside of Liverpool but want to visit Liverpool, or people who live outside Liverpool and don't want to visit Liverpool, for anybody on the face of this earth, except in one very limited context, that which is related to selling products and services relating to what the football club does. Anything else is fair game. Would have been a fair game. And all this, fear that, we got to be allowed to use the name freely, however we see fit, without fear of legal letters and dropping through our doors. Are you really saying that you should be allowed to take the name of the club, that it's built all this goodwill around, and just start making t-shirts and start making merchandise and be able to sell it without asking the club's permission? Really? That's your position? It's just nonsense. So anyway, it's more of a rant than my usual videos, but why the hell not, right? You get something different for a change. So no thorough legal analysis here, just mostly a rant with hopefully what's useful distinction between owning word, phrase, or an image and owning a trademark. Two completely different things, and it's too bad that the football club of all clubs didn't have enough balls, yeah, pun intended, very much so. Football club did not have the balls to go all the way and appeal the decision, because if Chelsea can have it, if Southampton can have it, why can't Liverpool have it? But apparently they decided to go without owning their brand. Too bad. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, great, subscribe. And not just subscribe, because subscription is great. We see that as reflection that you're enjoying these videos. But also click that bell button to get notified whenever the next video goes live, because we want to make sure you are watching these videos. And if you got a brand that you want to protect, go to trademarkfactory.com and book your free call with our strategy advisors, and they'll be able to help you get started. And make sure that if you're trademarking your brand, you have the balls to go all the way and protect it. Because if your brand is worth promoting, your brand is worth protecting. Your job is to go and promote your brand all the way to make sure that a lot of people know about you, that your brand starts meaning something to a lot of people. Our job is to help you protect it. With that said, until then, I'll see you in the next video.